It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. Oh my gosh, check it out. I just got a package delivered from Bath and Body Works. This is the laundry, what are these called? The booster, the laundry booster. We got to talk about this. I also got I got four of the Wallflower duos. I'm so excited I got these, by the way. I'm going to use these as Christmas gifts. These are $6.50 each. I love how pretty they look in these little packages. They're so cool. So I got Twisted Peppermint, little peppermints on it. I got Evergreen. Like I said, these are $6.50 each. And then I also got Strawberry Snowflakes. I'm thinking I might want to keep that one though. Oh, and 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. I want to keep that one. So much for gifting. Oh my gosh. I want to open 'Twas the Night Before Christmas because I need to smell this one. So this is cool. Look, they come in this little 2-pack and you can just kind of pull it off. They don't have the little paper on them. You know what? I'm just going to keep this one. I'm opening it up. This is what I'm going to keep. I'm doing it, you guys. I'm not gifting this one. I'm so bad. Always do that. So I'm taking the plastic off. I need to know if this is the Praline Delight. Okay, so let me smell this. It smells different to me. It's similar, but different. This one's got a little bit more cookie in it. Very interesting. I don't know. I might have to try this out a little bit more, but I don't think this is the Praline Delight. I don't think it is. This one is Santa's Fresh Baked Cookies, warm mug milk with dashes of cinnamon and nutmeg with natural essential oils. I don't even know if I love this. I don't know. You know what? I might gift this to someone who I know and love who isn't going to care that I took the plastic off. I don't know. I might keep Strawberry Snowflakes now. So I got those. That was super exciting. Next up, oh my gosh, the laundry stuff, you guys. So apparently, word on the street is the laundry products are extremely popular. And I believe it because they're selling out everywhere. And I guess a lot of people are upset because they're not in the stores. But I don't think Bath & Body Works anticipated, nor did I, how popular this stuff was going to be. So they come in like an extra box. I don't know why, but they do. It's probably a shipping thing. But check it out. This is what the laundry booster looks like. So it says, our fragrance boosters add loads of fragrance to your laundry with perfumer created fine fragrance. Okay, so you're supposed to squeeze the sides of the cap, twist open, fill fragrance booster beads to line 2 for regular sized wash loads, pour fragrance booster into the washer before the clothes. Do not put in the dryer. You know what's weird? Oh, you know what? Oh my gosh, you guys. So the other day, this is a really weird story. Okay, so I got this open. It opens like this. This is so funny. So I'm on TikTok or Instagram, and I see a video of them pouring. Look what these look like, by the way. They're all over. Like, they're in the thing. So how do I'm going to pour these out of here. Look, I'm trying to pour them out here. So they smell good. I don't want to, like, they're in the cap area. So I'm going to just make a mess. Okay, so I'm going to put these in here. So anyway, I'm like watching them put these. I thought it was in the dryer. So bear in mind, I'm older. And I have a top load washer. I do not have a front loader. I have the top load, washer and dryer. Actually, the dryer is the front load because the dryer's always been the front load. But I have a top loaded washer. And I'm like, are they putting those in the dryer? Because I thought it said don't put them in the dryer. But it kind of looked like they were putting them in the dryer because the clothes look dry. So I was a little bit confused. So they do smell really good, I gotta say. So I'm going to just pour these so you can see what they look like. Look at that. They're not very big. I mean, so I think there's like a line that you put these up to, and then you put these in the washer, and then I think your clothes are going to smell like champagne toast. And I'm like, totally tempted to try this now because they do smell. Can I get them back in the little container? I think I can. They do smell really good, I gotta say. I am like totally tempted to try this. I don't know if I would itch. I tend to use, you know, the Tide Free all the time. But I'm totally like intrigued by these now, and I'm tempted to try them. So I don't know. I like the bottles. The bottles are like beautiful. And I gotta say, it does smell fresh. Like I like the way this smells. So I don't know. Could they turn me? We shall see. I probably would try these like maybe on like jeans or something. I don't know. Or I think I'm going to try them. I'm going to try them and give you guys a report back. I think I should get the laundry detergent too, so that I can do like both of them. I don't know. Can you use this without the other? I don't know. We're going to find out. Anyway, I got to see. Let me go online once too. I got to see if there's any still available. I have one on my, I almost think you could put these like in a little, mesh satchel and, you know, who knows? That would be actually really interesting. By the way, there is a flash sale going on today, online only. I'm actually going to do one more video and talk about that a little bit later because I'm so excited about all this other stuff. I totally forgot to talk about the flash sale. Let's see, laundry care. Yeah, they still got a lot of it on. Anyway, that's the scoop on the laundry care. I will see you guys later with the flash sale. Bye-bye.